Okay, I don't know what day it is. It's Tuesday? Tuesday after the 4th of July, the first Tuesday afterwards. So I don't really do that math later. I just thought I'd do a really quick update on where we are on things before I close some stuff up. I kind of enjoyed the framing that I was looking at, and I realized I'll not see it anymore after this, so I'm going to take a quick film. The vacation has started, and we're going to be here for at least 2 weeks. Possibly, it could be 3, but I think we're going to run off and do some other actual sort of vacation type stuff. We probably will need it, but we've just started basically for 2 weeks. I'm going to get as much done as I can. So the room's a mess, but I've gotten this interior wall completely clad now, which was a big job, but definitely not the most complicated thing we've done here. I think I've gotten better at fitting these boards into scribing them to the logs, so that's kind of fun. It'll be difficult to paint it cleanly. And this is shellac that we have on the knots. I hope that works. We're going to paint over this with a linseed oil based natural paint, which is comprised of many layers. It takes quite a long time. You start very, very thin. It's the same thing we did for the windows, and it's kind of a standard period paint for these cabins. It's a very nice stuff, but it just is. It does take a long time. Lots of drying time in between coats, but I do hope. Yeah. I hate the knots, so I really hope that the knots don't bleed through. We'll see. Actually, I had this nice idea that it looks sort of interesting like this. Maybe we should just accentuate the knots and make these sort of Dalmatian walls. These polka dotted sort of chicken pox walls. Anyway. Let's go up here. And this is the inside of the sleeping loft. And all this wood is sort of beautiful like this, and would look nice exposed and oiled, or even or painted. But we're gonna be building in storage, sort of closed storage, in this section, and a bookshelf here, a slot window here. It's kind of, the details are hard to describe, mostly because we don't completely know them yet. Storage over here, possibly storage here, or another sort of a bookshelf. But yeah, why I'm filming this is that I'm cutting these acoustic boards and insulating in between the framing now, and this stuff is going to get kind of hidden over the next several days, I think, as I build it out. So I just wanted to take a shot of this existing situation. We're very excited. Things are moving fairly well. I think we got a good start. Okay. That's it for now.